Okay, all right. So here's what we're gonna do today. Like I promised yesterday, I'm gonna keep this video less than 10 minutes. All right. And then what I'm gonna do is either give you a handout with an answer key to work on your own, or I'm gonna try to kind of bump up the number of questions you have to do in Delta Math because you can get your answer key that way too. So either way, it doesn't matter. You still have to practice, but I'm gonna keep the video short. Okay. All right. Let's go. Okay. All right. So here's the deal. Let me do one question with you, let you try the other three, and then afterwards I'll add a few more questions either via the handout or on Delta Math, okay? Because what I want you to do is establish some sort of, muscle memory from doing this over and over, okay? Because sometimes learning something and understanding it is one thing, okay? That's fantastic, but for you to remember it, you're gonna have to practice a lot, okay? So, all right. Let's keep going then. All right, let me make sure I'm recording. Okay, all right, let's do one together. Now, again, I'm gonna find out what my ABCs are. So A is 1, right? B is -6, and C is 8. All right, so let's go. Now, the formula is x equals to -b over 2a, right? Okay. So let's get the axis of symmetry as usual. So -b, so negative of -6 over 2a. That's 2 times 1, which is 2. So that's 6 over 2. That's 3. So x is 3. By the way, don't just write 3. It's x equals 3 because axis of symmetry is a line, right? So don't just say 3 because that could be y equals 3 and then you'll be wrong, right? Okay, all right. Vertex. Just substitute, so 3 squared minus 6 times 3 plus 8. All right, so 3 is 9, 3 is 18 plus 8. Hopefully I can add correctly. -9 plus 8 is -1, right? Yup. All right, and then so the vertex is 3 comma -1. So far so good, all right? Y-intercepts when everything's 0. Now, I gotta tell you, it's fairly easy to look at. I don't need to substitute for the y-intercept because all I'm imagining is I visualize everything's a 0 here, which means all these guys cancel out. What am I left with? 8. Yeah, 0, 8. All right, that's it. Okay, now take a moment, press pause, and try these 3, and then when you come back, I'll have the answer key available for you. Okay, so press pause right now. Okay, all right. Now, I did this in like 2 minutes. All right, I'm not trying to brag. Actually, it's the opposite. So, because I think I worked a little too fast. So, if I made a mistake, it's not because I don't know how to do it. It's because I have to finish this before, as you can see, in the clock. I'm trying to finish this before the next class starts. So, if I made a mistake, all right, my fault, and feel free to correct me. All right. The only thing that I want to point out was that this you got to be careful with, okay? Oh, I didn't even list my ABCs for this one. Is that right? I didn't list it? Oh, man. Oh, all right, okay. All right, okay, maybe I'm so used to doing this, I don't need to list the ABCs out anymore. So just look out for the complexity of these like order of operation questions, basically. And the last thing I want to point out is this, the x squared minus 4, b is 0, so that makes everything actually easier. Have you noticed, right? So yeah, that's it, all right? Go ahead, if I have a handout for you, do that. If I don't have a handout for you, that means I put the extra questions in Delta Math, okay? So I'm gonna sign off here. Nice timing. Okay, all right, thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, all right, bye-bye.
OMG, that was so good.